Israel continues to be one of the world's fastest growing markets. 2022 was a challenging year globally, but while Israel was not immune to those challenges, some predictions place its growth in GDP at around 6.1%, which would still place it in the top 25 strongest performing economies worldwide. Inflation in Israel is currently running at just above 5%, which is above the Bank of Israel's target, but still well below the rate that most other OECD countries are currently experiencing. There has been a significant impact of these challenges in key areas, most notably in the number of new IPOs, which in 2022 dropped from the unprecedented record numbers seen in 2021 to a level more comparable with 2020, valuing a total of $16.9 billion US. 2023 is largely anticipated to be a year of consolidation, with several predictions of a number of smaller scale deals expected to become the norm. Despite a turbulent year, the technology remains a critical sector to the Israeli economy. And we are looking forward to reflecting that in Chambers rankings going forwards by introducing a new technology subtable to our existing corporate M&A category. For now, this extension will aim to highlight the corporate lawyers making an outstanding contribution to the technology sector. The theme of the startup nation maturing into a more well-established tech nation has continued in 2022, despite the turbulence. SPAC transactions remain highly popular, and while the scale of new IPOs is smaller than last year, Israel remains one of the most popular nations globally for technology deals. This growth in the tech sector has a number of legal implications. For example, there is a growing number of class actions brought on privacy violation grounds. In other areas of the economy, with the average house price in Tel Aviv increasing by around 17.5% last year, Israel is also experiencing a significant increase in demand for new housing, paving the way for a major boom in construction of real estate. This is complemented by a significant expansion of infrastructure projects, particularly relating to public transport, roads and seaports. Israel has also seen notable development in the energy sector. As part of a wider trend towards renewables, Israel is emerging as a major centre for solar power, which some estimate is making up around 90% of its renewables output. Furthermore, Israel is simultaneously experiencing a significant expansion in its natural gas resources, which has now overtaken coal as a proportion of the Israeli energy consumption. The impact of the Abraham Accords is also starting to bear fruit for Israel's improved relations with the Middle East. Most notably, Israeli startups like our crowd have made significant investments into the Abu Dhabi market. This trend is predicted to grow steadily over the next few years. In the legal sector itself, the ongoing trend of firms merging has continued over the past 12 months, and it has also continued to accelerate in terms of both frequency and scale. For example, the creation of the Arnon Tabor Levy firm represented the largest firm merger in Israel to date. More significant mergers are anticipated for 2023. Overall, with 2022 representing a turbulent year for the world economy, Israel has seen its own fair share of challenges. After a very successful period, its GDP is anticipated to grow at a more modest rate over the next few years. However, on several key metrics, Israel has continued to outperform comparative countries, suggesting that the nation remains prepared to weather the storm.